I don't know about you, but sometimes when you like, we've been in this dropshipping business for the last 20 years, and we've seen so many things that happen in the last 20 years. And but the worst thing is, imagine you spend so much money doing research, sourcing a product, and then you launch the product and you realize that you have like a better product that is out there, cheaper product, or that you have a constellation of rivals actually trying to eat your cake. This is the worst feeling. So in today's conversation, I want to talk to you about a tool that can help you actually solve that problem. It's called Niche Scraper. So we really want to have like an in-depth review of Niche Scraper. And is it the best product hunt tool? Let's talk about that. So here is an overview I really want you to pay attention to. So when you actually think about Niche Scraper, I want you to think about a tool that allows you to do a lot of things when it comes to product research, product hunting. So you are really having a greater understanding of what people actually want to buy. So basically what you're trying to do here is you're trying to really get the best product to sell in your niche so that you can develop a solid dropshipping business plan. Okay. And so this is something that Niche Scraper does really well. Now, the thing is that are they the best, or are they trying to razzle dazzle you, or are they really delivering on what they said they actually will deliver? Let's find out. So, but I want to say right off the bat that Niche Scraper is one of the best dropshipping product research tools when it comes to actually, gathering intel on what's happening in the industry. That's for sure, hands down. And the thing here is that Niche Scraper actually use a series of techniques, including AI-driven techniques, to let you find one of the best products that you can actually sell in your niche. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. And in today's convo, I want to quickly talk to you about Niche Scraper and really want to dig a little deeper to really see what they are actually offering. So the thing about Niche Scraper is that, not only do they give you an idea of the best dropshipping products in your niche, they also give you what we call the velocity. This is a term that we actually use in our own research about dropshipping. We call the velocity. In other words, how fast does the product, sell? How fast? Because some products can be slow. I mean, you have the slow asses, and then you have the fast asses. That's how we call them. And so Niche Scraper is really there to help you find those fast asses. Let's talk about the pros and cons here. So what are the pros and cons of Niche Scraper? The pros. Well, the tool lets you scan trending products across AliExpress and Shopify stores. This is really good because, listen, if you are trying to gather intel on your Shopify rivals, it's really cool to know what products they're really selling in those rival stores, right? That way you can actually strategize. You can actually have the right stratagem to know exactly what you can do to beat the competition. I mean, it's fair game. Everybody does it anyway. So if you're thinking, well, this is not fair for the Shopify store, whatever. I mean, he or she, the owner of that store, is doing the same thing to your store anyway. Okay, so it is quite simple and very easy to use. We'll love the fact that Niche Scraper, their UX is very fantastic. So you're not going to you're not spending a whole day or 2 days or a week trying to learn how the platform works. The funny thing is some of those dropshipping tools out there, they talk about, this is great, blah 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 blah, but you have to spend one day or 1 week to learn how the platform works. And that's kind of crazy. So what we love here is that Niche Scraper has a constellation of free tutorials that are really great for beginners. So if you are a beginner in this dropshipping business of ours, then you will really love. We really love the fact that Niche Scraper is making the job for you, like very easy for you. And we also love the fact that with Niche Scraper, you have a one-click integration option for those who use Shopify. So if you are currently using Shopify for your dropshipping gig, then you will love the fact that Niche Scraper has done a great job for you in trying to integrate their platform into Shopify. And we also love the one feature that we love on Niche Scraper is also something called the Video Ad Maker. So this is an awesome tool, particularly if you're new to video advertising. You will love this tool. Now, having said that, the tool is not going to help you produce sophisticated videos for dropshipping, not at all. But it's a great start. What about the cons here? Well, we are able to only find one detriment here is that the free plan gives you a limited number of scripts, and with it, you cannot really test Niche Scraper's premium features. So it's one of those things where niche scripper just giving you a little bit of the honey and say, listen, just this, and so you taste a little bit, and you're like, oh, okay, I love this honey. So now I want to get the full, the full honey, if you will. So this is their business model, and it seems to have worked in the last few years. So I'm sure they will stick to it. So for the foreseeable future, let me talk to you about the steps that really are involved when we talk about niche scripper. There are some steps that are really important. How does niche scripper really work? Let's have a clear idea about that. Now that you know what kind of product research tool niche scripper is, it's time to learn more about how it works. So how does it work? Well, the tool uses high functioning search engines to scour the internet for winning products. So when we talk about the internet, we're talking specifically about the internet, but also predominantly about AliExpress, and also you also have like Shopify stores. And basically, the tool actually provides you with reports and insights to help you discover trends. So it's not just about niche scripper giving you the final result and saying, listen, here are the top 5 products in your niche. No, niche scripper will provide contextual analysis, will give you some data, some hints, so you have a clear idea. So niche scripper utilizes advanced product web crawling technology. That's what I said before when I said AI technology, to extract data from e-commerce sites and analyzes trends to reveal true winning products. Also, niche scripper boasts a hand-picked session, which includes products that are selected manually by experts on a daily basis. This is kind of cool though, because imagine if you're a newbie, having access to a tool that allows you to see what experts are thinking every single day. It's just amazing. It's just really welcoming. This is kind of similar to what you see in the. I think you're still seeing some of it in business circles, whereby you have some trading communities are charging you because every single day you have a bunch of experts who are actually picking the best stocks to trade on that day. So this is kind of similar. So we love the fact that basically, when you have a tool that gives you a high level of research insights, you're really making the whole process very easy when it comes to finding winning dropshipping products. Okay, fantastic. And one thing I need to say before we close on this section also is that niche scripper, in terms of working, it will give you the reports in a very tabular, in a very granular way. Okay, to do that, you know exactly what you're getting yourself into if you were to hire this person or if you were to work with that company. Let me talk to you about the features that you really need to be aware of if you are considering actually, doing some business with a niche scripper. The thing is that with the niche scripper, I got it right. You have a constellation of features. For example, you have product discovery. So product discovery is kind of cool because then here you are basically using the tool to find winning products for your online store. And the thing is, you have a capability that's very strong, so you are able to see what really works in the industry. And within that capability of product discovery, you have 2 features of niche scripper that fall under this category. You have a product scripper, so product scripper, and then you have the other one, and that's a hand picked. So product scripper is basically giving you, the name says it all, right? So you can basically see that, this is actually the main feature of this tool because it uses advanced product web crawling technology to actually serve you on a golden platter all the list that you need to actually move forward in your dropshipping business. Okay, and you also can filter by category, subcategory, weekly order, price. Okay, you can also you have other options. You have competition, growth rate, Ali score, top country, ships from US. So you do have a constellation. You have a lot of data here, and you also have to think about market research. Okay, so product discovery, but also have a market research. And you also have to think about marketing tools. So Niche Scripper also boasts a marketing tool that can help you improve your video campaign, advertising campaign, build customer engagement, and boost the sales. Okay. Now for the video ad maker, you really have an opportunity to produce something wonderful. Now the video ad maker is not going to make you like a super nice video. Not at all. It's going to be a basic video that will really serve the purpose. But if this is not what you want, then you need to look for alternatives. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about what? We're talking about niche scripper. We're giving you a review, and we're trying to find out whether or not this is the best dropshipping tool or what. What about the resources? The thing is that when we talk about the resources, we are thinking about, by the way, boss, I want to quickly again remind you that we're speaking about niche scripper review. Okay. This is an in-depth review, and the resources are kind of good because you are able to have access to a constellation of tools and services that allow you to bring your dropshipping level to next level, your dropshipping game rather to a next level. So this is really one of the things you have to think about. Let's talk about pricing here, boss. I want you to look right now on the screen. So here is the pricing for niche scripper as of the date of this show. And the thing here is that niche scripper actually has two pricing plans. They have the paid version, and they have the free version. Now you got to ask yourself though. I mean, so to sign up, you actually have they don't have a free trial. They actually don't have a free trial now, but we have seen that in the last 2 months, they actually have been rolling out a free trial period again for certain states. So maybe you might have a free trial in your state, but they don't have a free trial program going on right now at the federal level. And I'm talking about nationally simultaneously. They don't have that. But so you have a free trial plan, so you can actually use the plan to do a lot of stuff. And one thing I also need to say here is that you have to use the tool to bring your business to the next level. So, but just go for the pro plan, because if you go for the free plan, you're not going to enjoy all the important features. So the pro plan, I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is the pro plan. The price for the pro plan, I think, is about $49.95 or $50, whatever. But it's very important, because if you don't have the right plan, you might actually sell at a loss. You might be thinking, well, I'm eking out a profit anyway. No, you're not. You are not eking out a profit. You are losing money. So this is something you need to really, pay attention to, and also make sure that you are linking to your business strategy. So the same way you actually took some efforts in helping, like in really finding ways to let's say to really bring your business to the next level. That same way you need to really find the energy and support and determination to really say, you know what, this is what I want to spend my money on. This is exactly the kind of pricing plan that I need, and this is why I need it. Okay, so this will really be very helpful to you. But again, with the pricing plan, you only have two. It's not very complicated. With niche scripper, you have either the free plan or you have the pro plan. So it's really and the thing is, with the pro plan, you have everything though. You have everything. You can actually just move your business to the next level. It's really good. Let me talk to you about the rivals that we have seen in our research. So when we talk about niche scripper, obviously this is not this player is not alone in the industry. It has many rivals. And one thing I want to say here is that it's important to understand that niche scripper is no doubt a great choice, a great tool, and a great alternative for finding, winning, and dropshipping products. But despite its many advantages, and like you might be looking for a product hunt that actually goes beyond niche scripper, because that's totally okay. And one thing I also need to say here is that when we talk about niche scripper, you have to think about Sell the Train, for example. You have to think about Ecom Hunt, for example. You got to think about there's another player that we love a lot. The name will come back to me. But see, you have Dropified, you have niche scripper, you have Alibaba, you have AliExpress. So you have a lot of alternatives. So don't actually settle for something that is low. One thing I also need to say here is that we are thinking about ways to actually bring the whole project to a halt, so that by the 14th. But so it's one of those things where you are really, let's say you were thinking about you don't like your dropshipping anymore, your dropshipping business anymore, right? And you say, I want to shut down my dropshipping store, or I want to bring it to the halt. and today is the first, and you say by the 14th, I want to really shut everything. By doing the proper research, and you can use an alternative like Ecom Hunt, for example, or you can use Ali Shark, Ali Shark. Those tools are really great. They can help you actually get the job done. They're very legit tools, by the way. And and all those tools, they actually have a way to actually automate the whole dropshipping the process for you. Sometimes they actually offer dropship automation software and actually a set of marketing tools. So when we talk about Rivals, we're not just talking about the tool itself. We're talking about a tool that can help you do all kinds of stuff that many people are doing for you right now. So you can actually save time, and you can actually do stuff a lot more than anything else. Okay. So here's a verdict for you. So after analyzing Niche Scraper for the last 15 minutes, for last not 15 minutes, the last 2 years that we've been studying Niche Scraper. Obviously, I delivered today's talk to you in less than 20 minutes, but we actually strongly recommend Niche Scraper, because the thing here is that if you think about everything that the tool has to offer, this is a great tool. Not only in terms of product discovery, market research, marketing tools, and resources, okay, and also the fact that the company is reinvesting all of the Niche Scraper is reinvesting all the profits into the business and trying to build a bigger and better profits. So we love that a lot, and we are here to support them. But so overall, Niche Scraper is a great tool that you should consider if you are, let's say, you are in this industry and you are thinking. Just make sure that you have actually thought about your purpose real fast, that you know exactly what you're getting yourself into, and that you are comfortable with whatever dropshipping scenario you find yourself in. Okay, we've seen that basically those dropshipping business owners who are very diligent, who are big planners, who are really thinking about the best way to improve, to actually fly for themselves. Those dropshipping business owners, they fly. In other words, they are running businesses that actually are so profitable that they can sell those businesses and just fly and just chill and just relax. Okay. And this is one of those things where we think that Niche Scraper is doing a great job at, because it's really able to give you the tools and resources, including the insight that you need to move forward with a specific action plan. It's one of those things, again, that you have to ask yourself, how do you fight the dropshipping game? And it doesn't matter. I just want to insist on it. It doesn't matter whether you have good credit, bad credit, you have no credit, whatever. If you want to get into dropshipping business, you just need to give let's say you have to give the lender assurances that you will actually repay whatever loan they actually gave you, so that you know exactly. For your attention, I really appreciate it. To this conversation, I was just talking to you about actually Niche Scraper. So this was an in-depth review. So we actually I give you the overview, the pros and cons, the steps, the features, the pricing, the rivals, and the verdict. Thank you. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.